eating, okay? Hello mummies and daddies, how are you all doing these days? Thailand is kind of half locked down with COVID-19 situation, so we have to be very creative to find ways to engage our toddler. So today we are going to talk about how to engage your toddler. So this is a really efficient way to engage your toddler, especially when she's cranky, when she doesn't want to eat, when she doesn't want to come inside the bed before the nighttime. Have you ever seen it before? When I was young, we used to call this a cobra. But today, I'm going to introduce you this as a mommy bird, a daddy bird. How you make this is pretty simple. You cross over your finger like this. Open up and hold with your index finger. Choop choop this part. You can either put it down or lift it up. This one looks a little bit more like a daddy and this one more like a mommy. For your child, who is the favorite? Is it mommy, daddy, or the baby? Mine always likes the baby. So here is the baby bird. I know it doesn't look like a bird at all, but for the kids somehow this works. Whenever you have a new character to engage your child, it's always good to have a short story so your child can understand that, oh, it's coming and I can expect this to happen and in the end this will happen. I have created this story for the baby bird to appear in a more interesting way. Ari always likes something happy, so I tell her, it's a happy egg, it's a fun egg. Where is the baby bird? Inside the egg. And it jumps, 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 and the happy egg opens up. Pew, 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 pew. Here comes the baby bird. Hello, Ari. I'm the baby bird. How are you? My name is beep, 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 beep. Below, I have included a link for your child to take a look. It gives you the background story of the baby bird. I'm sure after watching this video, it will be easier for you to engage them when you use the baby bird, mommy bird, and the daddy bird trick. So when do we normally use this? The best time I use it is when I try to put her to bed. She wants to play, she wants to read books, she doesn't want to turn off light, she never wants to go to bed. There's so many fun things to do for her right now. So I tell her, okay Ari, the baby bird wants to talk to you. Do you want to come into the bed? Oh, Ari, do you want to listen to what baby bird is saying? She has something to tell you. Another time is when she doesn't want to eat something. Okay, shall we try to feed baby bird first? Oh, baby bird likes it. Ari, do you want to try too? How do you like the new book, right? So when you eat, you have to eat first, right?
Read book.
Read book after you finish eating, okay?
Read book.
Peek-hoo! Who am I?
Baby.
Baby bird says, Ari, you have to read book after you finish eating, right? You want to read the book. But right now, what time is it?
30 minutes.
Eating time, right?
Pasta, pasta.
Oh, you like pasta?
Mama.
Can you show me how you eat? Can you show me? Can you show me how you eat? Can you show me how you eat? Oh, wow, very good. You don't feel well? You don't feel well?
Yeah.
Oh, do you want to go and see the doctor at the hospital?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
And then get big injection?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
You want to go to the hospital and get an injection?
Yeah.
Or do you want to go to the hospital?
With Daddy, with Mommy.
And?
With Baby Bird.
Hello. Let me check your temperature. It's okay, but let me check your belly. Baby bird, we'll check your belly, okay? Tickle, 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 tickle. Do you feel well now? Yeah. How are you, baby? I'm sure many parents already have their own method, such as, "Hi, I'm the baby elephant. Baby elephant wants to go. Do you want to come with me?" Something like this. Sometimes when you're outside, you don't have anything in your hand and you suddenly want to engage them. It's kind of difficult. If you have something in handy, which is your hand, it's always easy. One day my niece fell down from the bed and then she couldn't stop crying. There was this little toy that she really likes. It's okay, sometimes you fall down. You want to see how baby elephant does? See? Oops! Oh no, I fell down, I popped my head. But it's okay, right? When you want to deliver a message to toddlers, if you make up a story while they focus on the story, it's kind of easier for them to calm down and then understand the situation and think about how to think about the situation next. And in this case, if you have this baby elephant, it will be easy. But if you don't have it, you can just use the baby bird.
Mama.
I'm a baby bird.
Mama.
Did you watch Peppa Pig?
Mama.
What did you watch just now, Ari?
Mama.
Aria, baby bird is talking to you. Can you answer, baby bird?
Mama.
Hello, Ari. Are you hiding? Where is Ari? Where is Ari? Baby bird will find Ari.
Here you are. I'm hiding.
Are you hiding? Where's baby bird? Baby bird is hiding too. Can you find baby bird, Ari? Where's baby bird?
I'm right here.
Can you say hello, baby bird?
And I said, Papa Pig.
Can you ask baby bird what does baby bird want to do? Hey, baby bird, what do you want to do?
I want to baby bird.
I want to go outside and play with Ari.
Yeah.
Do you want to go outside with me?
Mm.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Can you give me a hug first? Okay, let's go. Tell me more about how you engage your kids. I want to read out the comments and share with a lot of parents so it can help when their child are difficult to manage.